Chapter 4. Confounding Compounding. The Astonishing Power of Small, Consistent Growth. In Chapter 4 of The Psychology of Money, Morgan Housel explores one of the most powerful and underrated forces in finance: compounding. He explains how small, consistent actions, whether in investing, savings, or even life habits, can lead to extraordinary results over time. The chapter challenges our natural tendency to focus on short-term gains, while overlooking the exponential impact of long-term growth. The magic of compounding is the process where returns generate additional returns over time, leading to exponential growth. Instead of thinking linearly, compounding works multiplicatively, making money grow at an accelerating pace. Housel argues that compounding is one of the most important yet least understood concepts in finance. Many people underestimate its power because our brains are wired to think in straight lines, not exponential curves. Case study: Warren Buffett. The ultimate example of compounding. A striking example Housel provides is Warren Buffett, one of the richest investors in history. While many admire Buffett's intelligence and investment skills, his real secret is time and patience. Buffett started investing at age 10 and continued for over 80 years. By age 30, he had a respectable net worth of $1 million. But 99% of his wealth came after age 50, simply because his money kept compounding. If Buffett had started investing later in life, say at 30 or 40, he wouldn't be nearly as wealthy today. The key takeaway is not just how much you invest it's how long you let compounding work in your favor. Why people struggle to appreciate compounding. Housel explains that most people fail to recognize the true potential of compounding because it starts slow. At first, gains seem small and insignificant. We expect linear growth. We assume progress should be steady and predictable. Short-term focus. People often chase quick profits instead of letting their investments grow. For example, imagine two investors. Investor A makes 10% per year for 5 years and earns a decent return. Investor B makes 10% per year for 30 years and becomes extraordinarily wealthy. The difference? Time. Compounding rewards those who are patient. The snowball effect of small, consistent growth. Housel compares compounding to a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing exponentially. A small investment today can turn into massive wealth over decades. Reinvesting earnings fuels compounding growth. This principle doesn't just apply to money, it applies to knowledge, relationships, habits, and success. For example, reading 10 pages of a book daily might not seem impactful, but over years you gain massive knowledge. Exercising regularly for years leads to huge physical benefits. Business, a company that reinvests its profits can dominate an industry over time. The lesson: consistency beats intensity. Small efforts repeated over time lead to extraordinary results. The hidden power of long-term thinking: longer you allow compounding to work, the greater the impact. Key rules for benefiting from compounding: start early. The earlier you start, the bigger the results. Even small investments at a young age outperform larger investments started later. Be patient. Don't get discouraged by slow initial growth. Compounding takes time. Avoid disrupting the process. Frequent withdrawals, panic selling, or bad financial decisions can interrupt the magic of compounding. One of the biggest mistakes investors make is chasing short-term profits and failing to let investments grow undisturbed. Final takeaway: Housel's main lesson in this chapter is simple. Compounding is the single most powerful force in finance, but only if you give it time to work. Instead of chasing quick wealth, focus on small, consistent, and disciplined actions. Whether in money, knowledge, or personal growth, the real magic happens over decades, not days. In the end, those who understand compounding think in decades, while those who ignore it think in days. And that makes all the difference.